Ritiksha. Ritiksha, where are you from?
I'm from Digana, sir.
Digana. Ritiksha, no? Right.
Okay.
Who is other new student?
Sir,
I am
I am.
One by one, one by one. Who is this?
Sir, Sai.
Sai. Right. Sai, where are you from?
I am from Dehiwala.
You're from Dehiwala, no? Right. Okay. Any other new students?
I am new, sir.
Renisha.
Sir, I am new,
Renisha.
sir.
Right.
Yes,
Renisha, where are you from?
I live in Manna, sir.
Manna. Okay. Right.
Sir,
Askar Ali.
I
Amina Askar Ali. Right. Yes, Amina, where are you from?
Colombo, sir.
Colombo. Right. Okay.
Sir, I am also a new student.
Who is this?
I am N. Aliza Mariam.
Anna.
N. Aliza Mariam.
Sorry?
N. Aliza Mariam.
Aliza Mariam.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Please rename
I'm
yourself.
also a new student, sir.
Who is this? Mariam, where are you from? Hello?
I am also a new student, sir.
Right. Risni. Risni, where are
Yeah,
you from?
I am from Gampala.
You're from Gampola, right? Okay. Right. Okay. Welcome you all to the online class. That means a success online school, right? So, the did they, you all can hear me now?
Sir.
Right. Still we are in the first unit, right? So, because with the basic things, and in the last classes, we started the first unit, right? So, we'll revise those basic things again in the first unit because number of students, the new admission to the class, right? So, right. Now I will share the screen. Right. Is it visible, the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So we'll start. The first unit is importance of computer.
Sir.
Yes, students, can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Right. So to the unit. So the first unit is importance of computer. In this unit, we have to discuss about the computer and the basic things of computer. That means the hardware and software of computer. Right. So in that first one, functions of a computer. Right. Yes, in the last classes, we discussed these things, but we'll quickly revise these of some new students join to the class, right? Functions of computer, there are three basic functions of computer. The first one is input, and the process and the output, right? So data are the input for computer. Data are the input for the computer, and it will process according to the instructions of user, right? So who is user? Who is user?
Sir.
Sorry, who is user? Who is computer user?
The who uses the computer.
Who uses the computer is user of the computer, right? So according to the user's instructions, the computer will process, right? Then it will convert the data into information. So information is the output of computer. Information is output of computer, right? So these are the basic functions of computer, right? So computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine which is um, great, right? Then it will receive the input as thing, data and instruction as input, then it will, yes, it will process according to the instruction of user, and it will provide the information as output, right? So these are the basic functions of a computer, right? It's clear now.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So the input for computer, data and instructions are the input, right? Then it will process the data according to the instruction of a user. Then it will provide information as output from the computer, right? Right. So then the special features of a computer or significant features of computer, right? So what do you mean by features? Features means the special characters, right? The special
Special
characters of
character.
Special characters.
is when we this, okay, right? Speed and efficiency. Speed and efficiency, right? So what do you mean by speed? Speed means
Fast. Fast.
uh, quickly, right?
Quickly.
When you compare a process with the
Command.
human, right? The computer can perform
Quickly.
very speed or very quickly, right? So a computer can finish the work very in very short time of period, right? So that is speed. Then efficiency means the
Quickly.
yes, right? So that is called speed and efficiency. So within the short time of period, computer can perform number of tasks, right? So computer can perform billions of tasks in a second. Computer can perform billions of tasks in a second. So that is speed. But when we there's the manpower, the computer will perform number of tasks. Number of tasks means billions of tasks in a second, right? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Then the second one is accuracy, right? The accuracy means
Yes,
the
sir.
100%
Yes, sir.
correctness, right? Accuracy means 100% correctness. When we provide the correct data and instruction to the computer, it will provide 100% correctness. 100%, sorry, it will provide the information with 100% correctness, right? So that is called accuracy of computer. Then reliability, T. Then consistency, then storage capacity. We can store the data and information with the computer, right? Within a small space of memory, can store number of data or information in computer, right? Then cost means the initial cost of computer is very high, but the maintenance cost is very low than when we compare with the human power, right? Then intelligence. It can be act according to the given instructions, but it cannot take decision because it is an electronic machine. You know, so computer can't perform individually or so no intelligence. Okay, because of that we have to give instructions to the computer, right? So according to the instruction, it will perform and it will provide or takes the information as output, right? So now in your workbook there is an activity, right? So we have to do that activity also, the first activity, right? Activity 1.1 is there, right? There are two questions in this activity, right? uh, so try to do it, right? The screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Right, now try to do this activity, then we'll discuss it.
Sir, we can use color pens for headings. Sir, I have a book. I got this book, sir. Can we use? Sir, can you show this full page, sir?
Sir, sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. We want to write these questions. Sir,
Excuse me, sir. Can you show this full page?
Students, the screen is visible, no? Hello?
excuse
Sir?
me,
Students,
sir.
can you hear me? Others, please switch off your mics. Please. Right. Students, can you visible? Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Right. So there are.
Sir?
Sorry.
What is the heading?
There is no heading. This is activity, right? So put activity number 1.1. Okay. Right here, there are two questions. The first one, you have to fill the blanks, right? A, B,
Finish,
C. Yeah.
sir.
Sorry.
Finish, sir.
All right. Okay.
I
Take. We'll
read
discuss.
the book, sir.
Sir, we want to write these questions.
Don't write the question. Just put the activity number and question number. Just write the answer. Okay. If you have an extra workbook, then you can do with this workbook, right?
Madam, yes, sir.
If you
Can you
have
show
an
activity number?
extra book only, right? Otherwise, don't write in your school book, right? Okay, right. We'll see the question. You have this, then correct it. So, first question: complete the following diagram, which shows basic functions of computer, right? So, A, B, C is there. So, is input. A is input. Right. A is input. Then B is process. Right. A
Processing.
is process.
Process.
And C is
Output. Output.
output. C is output. Okay. Very good. Now it's time for the second question. Right. Select the correct answer and write the relevant English alphabetical letter.
Write the exercise. Second one.
Yes.
I don't write.
Why? I told you. I told the text. Right. Select the correct answer and write the relevant English alphabetical letter in the space given. Right. So the first question is, what is known as input in a computer? The second one, what is known as output in a computer? The third one, what is known as storage in a computer? There are three answers or three statements or
Sir,
three
the screen is
sentences.
not clear.
Sorry?
The screen is not clear.
Why? The screen is visible now. What about others? The screen is visible, no? Right. Then please check your network
No,
connection. Okay.
sir. That
Then please check your internet connection. Right. So others can see the screen. Please check your internet connection. Otherwise, your workbook. Okay.
The three question answers for A, B, C.
What?
Three questions answers.
Three question means
What's
only there are two questions now.
second question?
In the second question, there are three questions, right?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see that. One
The
by one, we'll discuss
answers.
it. Wait. Okay, wait. Right. So, what is the first question? What is known as input in a computer? Right? Right. So, here there are three answers, right? A, B, C. Then you have to pick the correct alphabetical letter of the answer, right? So, we'll read the first answer. That means the first statement. Any method which is used to out send out data processed mean that is information, right? So information is the output of the computer. No, information is the output of the computer, right? So this is not relevant to the first question. Any method
Any
which is
method
used to
which is
feed data into a computer system. Any method which is used to feed data, yes, that is input, right? So for first question, B is the correct answer, right? Then the second one, what is known as output in a computer? So A, we already is that A is the information, right? So what is known as storage in a computer? A method which can be used to store data is storage, right? So C is the correct answer. Okay, is it clear?
yes, sir.
yes,
Any
sir.
doubts or any mistakes? It's clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Okay.
Clear.
Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Now we'll move to the next part. Right. Uh, right. Think there are special characteristics, right? Or we already discussed that. Then uh, activity 1.2 is about three input devices. Then output devices. Before that, that's these things, right? So the next part is embedded computers. Embedded
Sir,
computers.
I didn't write that.
Which one?
Up one you gave.
Why? What happened? I gave the time now. So you have to do the activities within the time, right? So just write the correct answer. Now we'll discuss the next part: devices with embedded computers. Right. So what do you mean by embedded computers? Embedded computers means
Parts.
yes. Embedded computers means
Some device.
some device means Please listen carefully, then answer it. What is embedded computer? Yes, yes. Embedded
Say
computer means
smart television.
that is the example, right? Smart TV is the example for embedded computers. Now, but I am asking, what do you mean by embedded computers? Yes, yeah, there are some examples. No? So, what do you mean by embedded computers?
Computer program. Computer programs
Computer
operated
program.
by computer programs.
Yes. Okay. Computer programs included in other devices, other electronic devices, right? For example, here, smartphone is there. Smartphone is kind of computer, no? Because there is with a number of computer programs, right? So that is called embedded computer, right? But the basic task of this mobile phone or smartphone is and messaging, calling and messaging, right? But here you can use the internet, then you can play with games, right? So there are a number of this. So that is called embedded computer system, right? In washing machines, automated washing machines, there are some programs. There are some computer programs in this thing. There is a but, right? So that is embedded computer, right? In modern cars, tell dashboards can see the mileages and the speed of this thing. It digitalized. So that is kind of embedded computer system. In smart television also you can use internet, then you can of application softwares there, no? So that is kind of embedded computer, right? So these are some examples for embedded computers, right? Yeah, equipment like washing machine, mobile phones, motor vehicles. Please switch off your mics.
இன்னைக்கு இங்க பாருங்க காட்டுற பாருங்க பாருங்க இங்க இன்னைக்கு இதே பாடம் படிச்சு இதே எக்ஸாம்பிள் தான் டீச்சர் வந்தாவும்
Shima,
Yes, sir.
please switch off your mic. Right. Honor NIC. Please switch off your mic. Right. So please switch off your mic when I ask questions, then you can answer it. When it is. Okay. So please don't disturb the class. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class. Okay. Right. Thank you. Right. So these are the examples for embedded computers. Right. So smartphones, there, washing machines. Washing machine means the fully automated washing machines. Then modern cars with digital dashboards, right? Then smart televisions. So these are some examples for embedded computers, right? Okay. Now we'll move to the next part of this lesson. 1.1 components of a computer. Components of computers means the basic components of computer, right? The requirements, okay, to complete the basic task of computer. So that is components of a computer, basic components of a computer, right? So this one is called a system unit of a computer. System unit of a computer. Thing. Inside this casing, motherboard is there, right? Motherboard. In the motherboard, okay, we can connect all these other devices with computer, right?
So,
So this is
what is
called
in
system
motherboard?
unit. Inside this system unit, there is a board. There is a digital board. That digital board means a digital this with circuits, right? So that is the main part of the computer. We have to connect all these devices to that particular motherboard, right? In the backside of this system unit, you have the ports. For example, USB port is there, right? So you can connect the mouse with USB port, right? So the connection, okay, within the motherboard, right? So we'll study the functions of motherboard later, right? So no, there is a motherboard inside the computer. Okay, is it clear? Right. Then a monitor is there, right? So monitor is an
Revati.
Yes, sir.
output device, right? So in this screen, we can see the
Sir,
processes
clear.
of, right? So this is called monitor or the display or the screen, right? Then we have keyboard, right? Keyboard. In keyboard, we can type, right? And we can type and can give instructions and data to the computer, right? So then mouse. Keyboard and mouse are the prime input devices of computer. Keyboard and mouse. These two devices are the main input devices of computer. Okay. In keyboard, we can type the letters, numbers, and text. Right. In mouse, we can move the screen. No, can point part of the display. Right. Because of that, it's called as a pointing device. Right. Then we have the speaker. Speaker is an output device which provides sound as output from the computer. Right? Speak can connect the speaker with the audio ports. Then we have internet router. By using this router, can connect internet to your computer. So these are the basic requirements for a computer, right? Basic components of computer. Right. So the basic parts or the physical parts or the hardware of computer can be classified into several types. The first one is called as input devices. Input devices. The second one is output devices. Third one, central processing unit. The fourth one, main memory. Fifth one, storage devices. And the sixth one, communication devices, right? So we'll see one by one, right? So the first one is input devices. Input devices. You can see the images of some input devices, right? The first one is mouse, right? Mouse. So I already told that by using mouse, we can give instructions to the computer and also can give some data to the computer, right? For example, you can take, then you can place the pointer or the screen, right? So because of that mouse, is an input device, right? Mouse is an input device. Then keyboard, by typing can give data and instructions to the computer. Because of that, keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is an input device. Okay, friends, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the microphone. Then microphone is an input device which receives the audio or the sound, and it input the sounds into the computer or to devices. Because of that, microphone is an input device. Then the web camera, right? It sees the visuals, and it will be into the computer. Because of that, web camera is an input device, right? Then there are number of scanners, right? Barcode reader is also a type of a kind of scanner, right? Then this one is a flatbed scanner. Normally we use to convert a hard copy into soft copy, right? Then barcode in supermarkets, and you can see this barcode reader, right? When the barcode will scan, right, and input the data related to that product, right? So, because of that, it will works as input device, right? So these are some examples for input devices. There are uh, more examples for input devices. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. The next one is output devices. Output devices. So you know that information, the information is the output of computer, right? The data will produce, okay, and it will process according to the instructions of user. Then it will produce information as output, right? So a user can get the output in this, right? There are three types of outputs. The first one is hard copy, hard copy, and the second one is soft copy, right? And the third one is sound. So a user can get three types of outputs or three types of information from computer as an output, right? The first one is hard copy. Hard copy means the printouts, right? So when we is and hit the hard copy, right? So the printer is the device which produce hard copy as output, right? So printer is the hard copy as output, right? Then soft copy means the document which is by an application software, right? For example, this PDF is a soft copy, right? Then a Word document is a soft copy. Excel sheet is a soft copy. Then when we create a presentation, then you can save that presentation in your computer. So that presentation is a soft copy. Image is a soft copy, right? So the monitor or the screen will produce or will exhibit the soft copy as output, right? Right. For one or two or three users, a monitor can be used to get the soft copy as output. But for a large number of crowd or large number of audience, we need a big screen like a multimedia projector, or nowadays we can use smart panels or smart boards as this, which produce the soft copy, right? Then the third one, the third type of output or information is sound. Then the speaker will produce the sound as output from the computer. Okay, right here there are four output devices. The first one is computer monitor. Then the second one is printer. Third one is speaker, and the fourth one is multimedia projector. Right? Okay, Trudes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir. Yes,
It's clear,
sir.
no? Right. So you have to do one uh, homework, right? So here there are only five or six input devices and four output devices, right? So you have to search some more input devices and output devices can be used with the computer, right?
Input output devices.
Yes, some more input and output devices with the use of that input devices and output devices, or how it works as input device and
Sir,
how it
like,
works as output device. So first you have to write the device and write a short description, right? So how it works as input device or how it works as output device. For example, if you're writing a keyboard is an input device, then by typing can give or can feed the data and instruction to the computer. Because of that, the keyboard is an input device. So like that, you have to write the uses or uh, how it works as input or output device with a small description.
Mouse, printer, other.
Yes, in your workbook there are some examples. You have to search more input devices. There are number of input devices. Okay, in the real world there are number of input devices, but in your book only a few input devices there, right? So you have to search it. Okay, is it clear?
yes, sir.
Input devices, mouse, keyboard, microphone.
I don't have books, sir.
Sorry.
I don't have books, sir.
So you can download from the internet now.
I don't exercise book.
Ah, okay.
You can download from the internet, right? So you can search thing, right? Don't go with your workbook. So you can search from internet, right?
Input
Or
output devices.
yes,
Okay.
examples for input and output devices with the use of that input and output devices. Okay, right. So that's your homework. Uh, Please do the homework before the next class. So we'll discuss other things in the next class. Okay.
We
So
need to think and write, sir.
sorry,
We need to think and write out
you
to
have
put.
to search, right? So you can search it, right? You can search with Google or with any other tools, right? It's not a problem, but you have to write. Okay,
Like how many, sir?
can get right. Okay, let's discuss other things in the next class. Okay, so that's all for today's session.
So how many?
No limitations. Can things, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So we'll meet you in the next class next week at same time.
You can tell me.
Bye,
Right.
sir.
Good night, friends. Thank you very much for joining us today. Good night. Have a
Bye,
nice day.
sir.
God bless you.
Sir, good night, sir. Thank you. Good night, sir.